Welcome to the Phuket Farmers Club in Phuket, South Thailand. My name is Najib.
My name is Damien.
My name is Roman.
And guys, can you explain us what is the project about?
Yeah, sure. The Phuket Farmers Club is a collaborative community made of gardeners and artisans dedicated to promote a more sustainable lifestyle for all by learning and teaching organic gardening and DIY techniques to everyone. So we give you a little tour of our garden. Here we have raised bed that we also call wicking beds. Here we have a mandala garden that is a good maze for the kids. And here we have a nursery where we do our seedlings and where we take care of the worms that help us to fertilize our garden. For the past 2 years, we've been working with a lot of schools, helping the kids to plant their first seeds. We've grown more than 100 kilos of spinach, beans and cucumbers. And we got even if we've been working for no salary, we got so many good feedback from the people that we cannot stop on such a good path.
Roman, can you tell us what is the goal of this campaign?
I can. So the goal of that campaign is to collect $10,000 in 2 months. With that money, we'll be able to upgrade our garden so we can keep using it as a learning center. For example, part of the material we need to buy is a toilet that is becoming necessary when we're doing the garden visits and workshops here. We also need to buy some structures for the raising beds, a new water pump for the garden, and above all, a pickup car to carry and transport all the material and resources all around the island. This necessary pickup car is also linked to our second activity, which is the delivery of organically grown veggies and fruits to members of the Phuket Farmers Club. So part of them come from our garden, cucumbers, spinach, but also from our network of local growers and artisans. So we need that car because, as you can see on the picture, we've been using our own motorbike so far, and it's not really convenient to deliver our and their delicious products to the members.
And well, what will be the impact for the people helping us?
By helping us, you will support the creation of a true learning center and seed bank where anybody can come and learn about organic gardening techniques. But you
also contribute to support the local community by enabling us to keep working with our strong network of local growers and artisans. So any contribution, any donation from you, no matter how small it is, can make a big difference for us.
Yeah, we are aware that not all of you can help us financially, but what you all can do is to share and to spread the word about our project, our campaign. Tell your friends and family about us.
Share on social network also, and spread the word as much as you can, and make some big noise.
Make some big noise!
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for your support.
Sawadee Krap.
Sawadee Krap.
Sawadee Krap.
C'est quoi le projet? C'est quoi le goal de la campagne? C'est quoi l'impact? C'est la 3 phrases.